Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create your own equalizer preset in your ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova. So at first we need to tap Armor Recreate application. If you don't know how to install and set up this application, check out because we have a video for that. Tap the device manager, tap the first thing, and once it loads we have to tap on the sound optimization. Here make sure that the equalizer right here is checked and enabled. Tap here and now tap customize. Now this flat one is changed, this is this flat one, and we can change the flat one up to our own needs. And actually we can't save it as the new preset, but this is saved as a customized preset, so yeah. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.